Hi everybody! Today we're going to go deeper into the structures and functions of an animal cell. The first thing you need to know is that all the parts inside a cell are called organelles. The outer layering of a cell is called the cell membrane. It's a thin and flexible layer, and it controls what goes in, food, and what comes out, water. The liquid that holds up all of the organelles is called cytoplasm. It's a special liquid that is 80% water and colorless. An important control center of the cell is the nucleus. The nucleus is basically holding up all of the genetic material and DNA of the cell. It decides everything about the cell, like what cell will be when it divides and how it will act. The third part is the vacuole. The vacuole, or the vesicles of an animal cell, is basically the storage tanks to hold material that the cell needs or uses. Animal cells have several tiny different ones, while a plant cell has one big one. Famously known as the powerhouse of a cell, mitochondria turns all the food into energy that the cell uses for its needs. Ribosomes are the ones that make proteins. Though they seem small, they're basically like separate factories. The ribosomes build structures, repair damages, and direct chemical reactions. Some are attached to the ER, or the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is basically a cellular highway. It takes molecules where they're needed to go. For the proteins, it transports the proteins to the Golgi apparatus, where the proteins are needed. The Golgi apparatus takes in the proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum. It checks them for flaws, packages them up, then sends them wherever they need to go. So as you see, it's like a chain. The nucleolus is where all the ribosomes are actually made. It's in the nucleus, and it's made up of dense protein and RNA. To summarize everything up, we learned about the animal cell, the structures and functions, and all the organelles, the important ones. The cell membrane, the cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, vacuole, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleolus. I'll catch up with you in another one of our summer series videos. Anu out.